Hey there, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm whipping up something truly special, golden soy glazed chicken thigh delight. Let's dive in. First up, let's prep those chicken thighs. Debone them and toss them into a big bowl. Now it's flavor time. Green onion, ginger, garlic, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and a splash of cooking wine. Mix it all up and let it marinate for a good 20 minutes. Time to sizzle. Heat up the electric griddle, lay those marinated thighs flat, cover and press with something heavy. Keep an eye on them, just a good 5 minutes until both sides turn that mouth-watering golden brown. And voila! Your perfect snack, the golden soy glazed chicken thigh delight, is ready to steal the show. Give it a shot and drop me a comment on what you think. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and catch you in the next one.